Adit Engineering's L-Muva is a multi-purpose vehicle ideal for underground use. It is tough, quick, turns in its own length, will carry 4 tons, people, fuel, water, explosives, etc. Equipped with a scissor lift and/or a crane, it will lift and place fans, vent duct, cable and all services. Geologists and surveyors require less time to sample, map and survey. There is no need for other operators. They can transport and elevate themselves as required. It has never been easier to go underground. Universal modules provide rapid changes in task capability. Sturdy construction, resistant to corrosion, 6 pneumatic tyres provide a better ride and a long life with minimum maintenance needed. L-Muva provides significant cost reduction in time and maintenance with high availability and safety. At 2.4 by 4 metres, it has a compact and portable footprint. Adit Engineering, Australian, design and build.